Today I am doing a video of a listing I have, just came on the market. Let's pan up. It is a brick front 4-bedroom 4-bath townhome, and let's take a look at the MLS. Here we go. 8560 Wyndham Manor Court, Alexandria, 22309. Price is $679, and it's 2,200 square feet, and it's the only one in this development that's 4 bedrooms. Backs to a private preserve of trees, lots of parking, visitor parking. Let's just quickly pan down the street here. It's not a very big street, so it's very private. You're just a few miles away from Fort Belvoir. Let me just show you one of the visitor parking places, which is right across the street. There's 6 visitor places here. My car is one of them. Let's walk around the side. So it's not the end unit, it's the one next to it. Let's walk around the side. And this is a great homeowner association. They've done a lot of improvements, and the HOA dues are only $109 a month. Now, there is no pool here, but the fees are very low. So what they did, the HOA, is they built this great brand new high fence here, which borders the entire development property. And let's walk over. So this property that I'm selling at the townhome is the butterscotch looking one, and we'll do pictures inside so you can see it, but that's a nice tall fence. I mean, I'm 6'6", and this is a 6-foot tall fence. And then over here you've got a private reserve of trees. We'll see more when we go on the upper deck, but it's great. It's very, very nice. It has a nice 2-car garage, very large inside. I love the brick front. So we're going to go up the stairs. Glass storm door, which is great. Just do a quick view here of the neighborhood. It's a very short street, and then there's a street there, and that's it. Very nice and quiet. Okay, let's go ahead and go inside. So the first thing here is a pillow closet. Of course, my clients are active duty Air Force. I'm an old Army person myself. You are only maybe 2.5 miles from Fort Belvoir. One of the nice things I like, let me show you the floor. It is hardwood. I love this look of this. It's very open. You got in the living room here 3 large windows. Now I'm 6'6". This is probably about 6 feet tall. Again, very, very nice flooring. To the left is a half bath. I like the flooring. It's kind of an upscale linoleum, but it's great. It's just waterproof. Okay, so that's the first bathroom. Got a very large living room here. That's the steps upstairs to 3 of the bedrooms. Let's go in here in the kitchen. Nice kitchen. Let's see. I think those could be 10-foot ceilings. I need to check that out, but they're very, very tall, which is great. Still pan here the windows. The thing about this townhome is there are windows everywhere, which is great. And you can see on the back there, the butterscotch colored deck. That was just totally refinished and restained last week. Then you've got double doors. I like doors better than a sliding door to the deck. This is, I think, much more secure. And then you have more windows up there. Large kitchen. That's a new said they paid $1,700 for that dishwasher. It's extremely quiet. And if you like to cook, gas stove is the best. And this is a 5-burner, which makes it gourmet. If it's more than 4 burners, it's a gourmet. Nice cabinets. I'm not going to open them up. But nice cabinets. Microwave. The refrigerator. More cabinets. I think this is probably a pantry here. It is. Lots of room for pantry. Lots in the pantry, lots of room for food. Jeez. Let's go ahead and go on the deck because we're on the same level here. It's got the little. I love the color of this deck. This is a huge deck. Like I need to measure the size of the deck, but it's huge. And then right behind you is a private preserve of trees. Nothing will ever be built on this. Large, and it's wood too. I kind of like wood. If you have Trex deck, yeah, it's less maintenance, but you can't put a barbecue grill really on a Trex deck because Trex will melt. It's actually a plastic resin. And what we'll do is we'll actually go out. Got a nice gate here that locks. I'm not going to shut it. They left it like that. Let me just point this down real quick. And we'll go out in the backyard. But let me pan back up here. But you can see that new perimeter fence that the HOA put in. Very nice. Makes it very secure here. You got a place here to hang plants. I love that color. Butterscotch color is a good color. Okay, the next video will be upstairs. Okay, we are upstairs. I like the stairs are oak, solid oak. That's great. Okay, so let's take a look. So when we cut the steps, first thing you have is a full bath here. Nice size. And the same theme with the excellent looking upscale linoleum. So this bathroom here would serve the 2 bedrooms. Well, to the right. Jeez, if I can remember where I am. And then to the left is the principal bedroom. Now, let's open this up. Oh, this is a washer and dryer. Excellent. Okay. I can find the switch. There we go. So you got a full scale side-by-side washer and dryer. That's great. And you got space up here for storage stuff. Okay, so do we go right or do we go left? Well, I'm left-handed, so we're going to go left. And that is the principal bedroom. Huge, and you got hardwood floors in here too. I kind of like that. I don't really like carpet. As you get older, you have allergies and stuff. And they got some blackout curtains here, which I moved over, but let's just take a look in the backyard. You've got those trees, which is a private preserve, which can never be built on. That is so rare here in Alexandria. Okay, so to the right is the full bath. You got a soaking tub, a shower, more windows. You know, because you're in the back here, there's no need to put any window covers in there. And then you've got double sink. I love that flooring again. It's a consistent theme throughout. Very nice. Okay, and then you've got a fantastically large walk-in closet. Woo. Man, this walk-in closet's bigger than the town I was born in Colorado. I grew up in. All right. All right, so here's the principal bedroom. We just finished that. It's got its attached bathroom. So bedroom number 2, and of course we got 2 choices here, right or left. We're going to go left. And their daughter, oh, isn't that cute? The bedspread looks like a big leaf. That is cool. I like that. Big windows. That's the consistent theme throughout this small subdivision. And I'm not going to open up her closet. But you got big walk-in closet. And then bedroom number 3. It's also got some very big windows. I'm not going to open the closet again. So you got 3 good-sized bedrooms up here. 2 full baths. The laundry room's up here, which makes sense. All right, the next video will be in the basement. Just came down the stairs to the basement, and you've got hardwood flooring again. No carpet anywhere. I love that. All right, so since we're here, the first thing across is another full bath. So that makes 3 full baths and 1 half bath. This has the most number of bathrooms and bedrooms in this community. Next to it is the very large garage. Let me give you an example. I'm not going to open the garage door. If we get more light, I'm just going to do. This is bigger than most garages because you have all this room here for extra storage things. They got cabinets here with countertop. And also places for your trash and recycle. What is in here? Huh. Another storage area. Wow, this is really highly unusual that you get all of this extra space. This is a very big townhome. And then over here, they put an extra refrigerator out here. And, well, being in the military, they're very well organized. Impressive. I think that's probably to the HVAC system. I'm not going to move that ladder and stuff. Very nice. Very big. And you can easily put 2 cars in here. Put your trash, your 2 trash, recyclable and regular trash, and have room for tools and stuff. You don't normally get that. All right, so coming into the garage, you have the rec room down here, which is very nice. So you got to walk out. I love walkouts. Better than a walk up, because a walk up can get leaves in the fall and then it rains and it floods. Here's bedroom number 4. Pretty big. I'm not really much up on the teams. Is this Detroit Lions? I don't know. Someone will have to give me a comment on that. But you got a lot of room here, TV, huge series of windows. All throughout this townhome, windows everywhere. And let's go on the walkout. Again, I like the fact it's not a sliding door. So walk out here. It is raining. You can see that, so it's wet there. I'm not going to go any further. But you got a massively large deck. We'll shoot up here. Let's take a look at the top here. Very well constructed, recently renovated. Yeah, you can even hear, I don't know if you can hear the rain, but it is definitely raining harder. And then, so you got the fence of this townhome, and then behind it you got that one that the community did, which is so spectacular. I love that. Most communities don't spend the money to do that. Also, my clients are offering a $550 warranty of your choice. The home is being sold as is. They've owned it for 2 years, done a number of upgrades. What is in this closet? Did we even look at? We didn't look at. Oh, another closet. Man. Protein powder. I'm 69. Maybe I need to start doing some exercises and have some protein powder. But nice basement. And a ceiling fan here. All the rooms have ceiling fans, recessed lighting. I mean, what's not to like on this home? Just came on the market. Again, it is 8560 Wyndham Manor Court in Alexandria. And great.